boys and girls. My name is Miss Berry. We're going to be doing a lesson in math today. Sometimes I might have Mrs. Brinkman help me out a little bit with the board because, well, my hands are a little short and it's a little hard for me to, write on the board with a marker. So Miss Brinkman's going to be my hands. But today we would have been doing a lesson where we would have been playing a game. And so I have Abraham and Torsten and Jamie. They're going to be playing the game first. They're going to be rolling this die right here. And when they are going to get 2 rolls, and after 2 rolls, we're going to total up how many points they have of those 2 rolls. And then we're going to be using our compare statements to compare their total number of points. Okay, so Abraham, will you come up here please first? Abraham? Okay, well, maybe Torsten. Torsten, will you come here? Torsten's not here either. Jamie, will you come here please and help me out? Miss Brinkman, none of the students you wrote up on the board are here today.
Right, Miss Berry. I'm so sorry. I forgot to tell you before we started this lesson. I wrote the students' names up there because those would be the ones that would be playing first, but we're still doing the virtual learning, which is why we're doing this on the iPad. So instead of them actually playing, we're going to have one of our other, stuffed animal friends are going to help take over their turns. They're going to roll for them.
Oh, okay. Well, you should have told me that in the beginning. Anyway, okay. So instead, we're going to have some friends help be Abraham, roll for Abraham, and roll for Torsten, and roll for Jamie. Okay, do I have a student stuffy volunteer that is willing to roll for Abraham? Can I have somebody roll for Abraham?
Oh yeah, I'll do that.
Oh, hello. You're a new one. We haven't seen you yet.
Yeah, my name Angry Bird.
Your name's Angry Bird. Well, that's not a very good thing to have in a classroom. Angry Bird, in our classroom, we're going to have to keep our temper. Do you think you can do that?
Maybe, I don't know.
Okay, well, I guess we'll have to try. Okay, so, Angry Bird, you're going to roll for Abraham. So you can go and stand right over there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and yeah, so next I need a student to volunteer for Torsten. Can I have a volunteer for Torsten?
Hey, I do it.
Oh, yes. Hi, Spike. We're familiar with you. You'll roll for Torsten?
Yeah, I'll roll for Torsten.
All right, thank you, Spike. Okay, and we have our friend Jamie is supposed to be rolling next. Who can roll for Jamie?
I'll roll for Jamie. Oh, you're new too. What's your name? I'm Dory. Oh, you look familiar, Dory. Really? Yeah, where do I know you from? I don't know. Oh, okay. Well, maybe I'll think about it. I'll figure it out. Okay, you're going to roll for Jamie? Yeah. Okay. You go stand over there. Okay. All right. So let's start first. Now I'm going to remind you again, Mr. Angry Bird. You got to keep your temper with this, okay? I'm not going to throw a fit if we're going to lose, right?
Okay.
All right. Okay. So Angry Bird, you go ahead and roll first. How many points did you get, Angry Bird?
No.
Remember what I told you.
1.
Oh, 1 point. That's still good. That's still good. Okay, let's see. So Abraham has 1 point so far. Okay, good. And then we'll put a plus sign for his next roll. Let's have Spike will roll for Torsten next. Okay, Spike, go ahead and go get the die and roll it. Oh, it fell off the table. Okay, but let's go ahead and look and see what it rolled on. Okay, it rolled on a 4, so we'll write a 4 right there. And then we'll put a plus sign for his next one. Mrs. Brinkman, you're going to have to get that for me.
Okay, I think I can reach it with my foot.
Thank you.
No problem. There you go.
Okay, so next we're going to have Dory. I really think I know her from somewhere, but I just can't figure it out. We're going to have Dory go ahead and roll for Jamie. Okay, Dory, go ahead and roll. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. It's not singing time right now. You got to roll the die. Oh, sorry. For some reason that's stuck in my head. Oh, woo, woo, woo. Oh, what did you get? I got a 5. A 5. Okay, so let's put 5 up for Jamie. All right, good job. Okay, so next we're going to have Abraham roll again. So we'll give that back over to Angry Bird.
I'll roll a better one this time. Why not?
Yes, what did you roll?
3.
Well, that's good. That's still better than the other one, right?
I guess.
All right, so, okay, next one is going to be Torsten. Go ahead and roll for Torsten, Spike.
I got 1. I got 1.
Oh, yes, you did. You got 1. Okay, so we'll put a 1 right here. All right, good job. Okay, and then Dory, go ahead and roll for Jamie. Okay. Oh, I got a 4. I got a 4. A 4. All right, let's put a 4 up here. Good job. Okay, so let's see how many of each of them they got. All right, we'll go ahead and put the die back over there. Okay, so Abraham had 1 and 3 more. So that means that Abraham had 4 total. Good job. And Torsten had 4 and 1 more, so that is 5. Good. And Jamie had 5 and 4 more, so that is 9. Good job. Okay, so next we're going to be making compare statements. What's wrong? What's wrong, Angry Bird?
Sorry, Abraham. I wasn't a good roller.
Well, why do you say that?
Well, because I had the fewest number of points.
Oh, you know what? You may have had the fewest number of points, Angry Bird, but she just did a great job of making a statement using his special compare words. Can you repeat what you just said, Angry Bird?
Oh, really? I did? I did something good?
Yes, you did something great.
Oh, okay. I'll repeat it. Okay. Abraham rolled the fewest number of points. Thanks.
Good job, yes. So we could say that out of all of them, that Abraham rolled the fewest number of points. Okay, good. Now, can someone use a statement to tell me who rolled the most number of points?
I can help you with that one.
Yes, Spike. Can you use your words, your compare words, to tell me who rolled the most number of points?
Yeah. So, if you look, it says Jamie had 9 points, and that's more than everybody else. So, Jamie had the most points.
Yes, good job. Awesome. Okay, so now we are going to take our bars up there. Well, you don't see them yet, but you'll see them soon. We're going to use our stair steps to use compare statements. So instead of these, we're going to erase them and put how many they have using a stair step. So Abraham had 4 and Torsten had 5. And Jamie had 9, okay? All right. So now remember from our other lessons that we were comparing one person's number with another person. So in this case, they're points, okay? So we're going to be using these statements up here and filling in for what's missing, okay? So first, let's choose 2 people that want to be compared. Who would like to be compared for our first one?
Oh, me.
Okay, good job.
Can I go since can I go too? Because I did the first good statement thing.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. So we're going to compare first Abraham, Angry Bird, who's doing Abraham, and Spike, who's representing Torsten, okay? We'll just use the students' names. All right, so for Abraham, we need to look at them. We have two statements. So the first one says, so-and-so has blank more points than so-and-so. So who has more needs to be going first. So if we're comparing Abraham and Torsten, can you tell who has more?
Yeah, I know. Torsten has more. I got you, buddy.
Yes, you're right. Torsten has more. So we would have to put Torsten's name here at the beginning. So we'll write Torsten. Okay?
It's kind of hard to write sideways, Miss Berry.
I know, but just deal with it.
All right. It's a little crooked. It's not my normal printing.
Yeah, but you will figure it out.
Okay.
So next we have to figure out the compare number. So, who can remember how we're going to find the compare number? I know. Yes. You're going to take the... What's the matter? What's the matter? I'm trying to remember, but I have short-term memory loss. It's called the... Yes, you're almost there. The break. You almost got it. I know. The break-apart stick. Yes, you're exactly correct. The break-apart stick. We're going to use that. Now, where did that go? You know what? I bet Slobber's been using that as his fetch stick. Let's have him go get it. Slobber, get the break-apart stick. Oh, thank you, Slobber. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use the break-apart stick. So here is Torsten, and here is Abraham. Okay, so we're going to put that right where it becomes what we call not fair, right where one of them is shorter than the other. So how many do you see on the part here that they don't have a match? There is one. So we would say that Torsten has one more, and right now we would actually have to take away the word points because it's just one, it's point. Then, and we would have to compare him to Abraham. So we will put Abraham right here. All right, good job. Okay, so for the next one, look at this one. The compare word is different. It says fewer. So the person who has fewer has to go first. Who had fewer points between Abraham and Torsten? Who had fewer? Abraham had fewer. Correct. So we're going to put Abraham first on this one. And remember, our compare number stays the same when we're comparing the same people. And Abraham has one fewer point than Torsten. So we'll put Torsten's name last in this time. Good job. That was great. That was very good. Awesome job. Okay, so we're going to do one more comparison. Okay, we'll do one more comparison. So let's erase those other names. Oh, here. There we go. Okay, now we're ready to compare. Let's compare Torsten and Jamie this time. Let's compare Torsten and Jamie. Okay, so we're going to take the break-apart stick, and where are we going to put that break-apart stick? I know. Okay, go ahead and put it where it goes. Okay, I think it goes right here. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, so now we're going to count how many are on that side where it's not fair, okay? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 that are missing a partner with the other person. Good job, Dory. Thank you for helping. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so 4 is our compare number. Now for the first statement, it asks for the word more. It says somebody has blank more points than someone else. So who has more?
Jamie has more.
Good job, Angry Bird. It's okay. You're doing a great job of keeping your temper.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so Jamie had more. So we're going to put Jamie's name over here, like this. And she had, remember, 4 more. So we're going to put our compare number as 4. And now we do need to have points. We have to have it plural now because it's more than 1. And she had more points than, and who are we comparing? Torsten. Good job. All right. Now, we're going to use another compare statement, okay? We're going to say that we're going to now put the person who has the fewer points. We're comparing them first, okay? So who had the fewer points? Good, it was Torsten. So we're going to put Torsten here. Okay, and again, our compare number is the same because it's the same people. And we need to make an S for points because it's plural again. Good. And then we're going to put Jamie over here now. All right. So now we have Jamie has 4 more points than Torsten. And we can also say the statement, Torsten has 4 fewer points than Jamie. All right. Great job so far, class. You guys are doing fantastic. Okay, we're going to do one more game. I'm going to dismiss these students. Thank you, students. You guys can go sit down. We're going to have one more group of people come up to help make some compare statements. Okay, all right. Go ahead and go over. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this erased again. See if we can do this a little faster. Do, 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 do. Do 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 do. Alrighty. Okay, so our students that we're going to be representing now are going to be Ivan. Yep, Ivan's going to play the game. And let me see, who else is going to play the game? Ryan is going to play the game. And Itzel is going to play the game. All right, there we go. Okay, so now I need someone to help me play for Ivan. Can anyone here play for Ivan? Ivan, can someone play for Ivan? Oh, hi, Slobber. You want to play for Ivan? Okay, you can go play for Ivan. All right. Good job, Slobber. You gotta, don't fall asleep on me though, okay? No, can't tip forward. Slobber! You got yourself? Okay, there we go. Okay, hopefully he doesn't fall asleep now. Okay, so who can help me out with Ryan? Who can be the person for Ryan's thing? Let me see. Oh, you're a new student too, huh? Oh, so what's your name? My name is, I don't know my name. You don't know your name? No one gave me one. Oh, well that's interesting. Let me think. I'll think of a name for you. Okay. Well, you look, well you're an ostrich, right? Uh-huh. Okay. How about Ozzy? We could call you Osselina. Osselina? I'm a boy. Oh, that's a problem. Okay, how about Ozzy? Ozzy. That would be a good one. Okay, Ozzy. I like that. My name's Ozzy now. Okay, now I'm going to have for Itzel. Itzel is going to be, anyone volunteer for Itzel? I want to be for Itzel. Oh, hi, Princess. It's nice to see you again. Thank you. I don't know if your horn's going to be a little bit too big for this, though. Maybe we're going to have to sit you over a little bit. Maybe we could shift everybody. There we go. Can everybody see okay? Yes, it looks great now. Okay, so we're going to have them. We're going to try to move this a little bit faster now. We're going to roll the die, and we're going to add up the points, okay? All right, so Slobber, you go ahead and roll.
5.
Good job, good job. Slobber, you got 5. You're falling asleep on me again. We'll just lay you on your side, okay? Lay down, good boy. Okay, so 5, and we're going to put a plus sign. All right, so now, Ozzy, will you roll for Ryan?
Okay.
Haha, 5. I got 5 too. All right, 5 too. Here we go. You also got a 5. All right, now, Princess, go ahead and roll for Itzel. Okay, I'll roll for Itzel. 2. Hey, why did they get 5 and I only got 2? Well, it's okay. It's the way, it's just the way things sometimes are. Sometimes things are just different for us. Oh, all right. 2. Good job, good job. Okay, so we'll put a 2 here. Oops. And a plus sign. Okay, let's go ahead and roll again. Slobber, go ahead and roll for Ivan. 5. 5. Okay, good job, Slobber. 5. Okay, 5. So Slobber got 5 and 5. All right. Now, Ozzy, go ahead and roll for Ryan.
Oogie. 1.
Oh, that's good. Good job. 1. Okay, plus 1. Good job. All right, now, Princess, go ahead and roll for Itzel. Okay. 2. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Because I just got a 2 again. I didn't get anything different. But that's okay. We're just playing a game. It's all right. I'm sure Itzel still loves you. Do you still love me, Itzel? Oh, okay, thanks. I think she said yes. Okay, so 2. There we go. All right, so Ivan has 10, and Ryan has 6, and Itzel has 4. Good job, good job. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our statements. Who can say who has the fewest of all of them? Who has the fewest of them all?
I know. Itzel has the fewest points.
Good job, Ozzy. Okay, who has the most points? I know. Yes, Princess. Who has the most points? Ivan has the most points. Slobber's a good roller. Good job, Slobber.
Thanks.
Okay. Slobber, don't keep doing stuff, Miss Berry. It's okay. We're working with him. All right. So, let's see if we can make some compare statements. Let's compare Ryan and Ivan. Let's compare Ryan and Ivan first, okay? So here's Ryan and there's Ivan. We're going to first put their numbers down. So we're going to erase these and use their compare bars. So Ivan had 10. And Ryan had 6. Good job. Get him a little closer. And Itzel had 4 points. Good. All right, nice. Okay, then we're going to use our compare stick right here. Let's compare just Ivan and Ryan. Okay, so first, our statement here has a person's name has blank more points. So we have to say between Ivan and Ryan, who has more points? Who has more? I know. Yes, Princess. Ivan has more. Yes, good job. Okay, so we're going to put Ivan has, and how many more? This is where we need to use our compare stick. So we'll hold that right there and count how many between Ivan and Ryan. What's the difference? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the difference. So we're going to put 4 more points than, and here's where we're going to put Ryan. All right, great job. Okay, so for the next one, let's look at the next one. It talks about the fewer. So first we have to put the person who has fewer points first, and that would be Ryan. So we'll put Ryan here. Has, and then 4 fewer points than, and here is where we put Ivan. Great job. Okay, let's do one more and then we're all done. Okay, go ahead and erase those. Good job. All right. Okay, how am I doing, Miss Brinkman? Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's going great, Miss Berry. You're doing nice. It's kind of hard for me to reach over there, but that's okay. I can deal with it.
Oh, okay, good job. Okay. Whew. All right, so the next one, we're going to compare Itzel and Ryan. No, I think I want to do Ivan and Itzel. Let's compare Ivan and Itzel. Yeah, let's do that one because they're separate from each other. And sometimes that can get confusing when you're looking at the bar graph. So we'll practice with that. Okay, so here is Ivan and here is Itzel's, okay? Now, first one wants us to put the one who has more. Who has more, Ivan or Itzel? Yes, you're right. Ivan has more. So we're going to put Ivan's name first over here. Okay, now this is where it can get a little tricky because you can see if you're comparing Ivan, his is the top row, and Itzel is the bottom row. We still have Ryan's bars right here. Now, we just kind of have to pretend that they aren't there. We're just comparing Itzel to Ivan, and here is where Itzel runs out of matches. So this is where our break apart stick goes. And we're not worrying about this at all. We're only worrying about the extras that Ivan has that Itzel does not. So let's count those ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Remember, we're ignoring those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so Ivan has 6 more points than Itzel. Good. And then we have to reverse that one as well. Looks like something got erased a little bit, so let's fill that back in. All right. Okay, and then this one wants it where it's fewer points. So again, Itzel had the fewer points, so now her name goes first. The compare number is the same, and it's 6 fewer points than Ivan. Great job. Woo! Can you believe we only played 2 rounds of that? That took a long time. I am so glad you stayed with me to listen. Thank you, Slobber and Ozzy and Princess. And thank you, Angry Bird and Dory and Spike, too, for helping us out today. Okay, so you're going to keep practicing comparing those things. All right? Good job.